Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix SteamVR Error 451 quickly and easily. So first, you want to open your settings, and from the start menu, you want to go to Display. Then go ahead and scroll down, select Graphics Settings. Then go look for Advanced Graphics Settings. And then you want to turn your attention to hardware accelerated GPU scheduling, and you want to toggle this off. Now, this setting can sometimes conflict with SteamVR and cause error 451, so you want to make sure that this is toggled off. After that, just go ahead and restart your PC. Once your PC is back on, open Steam and go to your library. Then look for SteamVR. You want to right-click on it and select Properties. Now go to the Betas tab, this one, and you want to make sure that this is changed to none, because sometimes it's either going to be this one, the second option, or the third one, but you want to make sure that this is turned to none. Right now, this ensures you're running the stable version instead of a beta that might be causing the error. Now close the property windows, restart Steam, and it should be good to go. SteamVR Error 451 should now be fixed. That's it. If this helped, hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!